Hello, good morning everyone. Today the topic name is Plasmodium vivax. The Plasmodium vivax is two parasites. One is a man life cycle and second one is the mosquito life cycle. Okay. First we discuss the Plasmodium vivax in man stage. Okay. First we discuss the systematic positions. Phylum Protozoa, subphylum Apicomplex, Sporozoa, class Telesporia, genus Plasmodium, species vivax. Okay, this is the systematic position. Next, next we see the Plasmodium vivax basic concepts. The Plasmodium is the one of the harmful parasite of digenic. Digenic means it's have the life cycle completed two hosts. One is a man, second one is a mosquito. The second one, intracellular parasite. Intracellular parasites mean they live in the liver and RBC. Okay, this process is completed man phase, liver and mosquito. This is the intracellular parasites. The primary host is Anopheles mosquito and the second host is man. First is Anopheles mosquito and the second host is man. Okay. The Plasmodium vivax different types of malaria forms. This is the different types of Plasmodiums. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vowel, Plasmodium malaria. These are different types. Okay. First, we choose the parasite. The term malaria is language the meaning of bad air. Okay, this is forms in India first identically oocytes. The Anopheles mosquito 20th August. Ronald Ross was awarded a Nobel Prize in 1992 and 20th August. Every year celebrated as World Mosquito Day. Okay, which is the World Mosquito Day? 1902 1902 and 20th August is the World Mosquito Day. Okay, first we discuss the basic structure of sporozoite. This is the basic structure of sporozoite. Okay, this is the stickle shape, microtubulars, wriggling movement. This movement is a wriggling movement. This is the basic structure. Mainly the parasite mosquito man stage the process first we discussed. Okay, first Plasmodium vivax in man stage. This is the asexual reproduction called schizogony. Asexual reproduction is called schizogony. Its process is mainly two types to they completed. First one is the liver and second one is the RBC. Liver is called hepatic schizogony because hepatic means they fully process in liver cells. And second one is the RBC is called erythrocytic zygote. This is the erythro means RBC. The second total position is completed in RBC. Okay. Once the zygote started, nearly 2000 sporozoites they released in saliva to the human body. This process is a precytic stage and exocytic stage too they started. Okay, this first we go to the discussion of life cycle of Plasmodium vivax. Okay, this one is the Plasmodium vivax in man stage. This one is the mosquito stage. Okay, first this process is started to the one mosquito, infected mosquito, malaria infected mosquito bite and one human, healthy human to bite the saliva to form the sporozoites come into the liver cells. Okay, healthy person to they bite the human saliva to come to the liver cells. First sporozoites enter in the liver cells. The liver cell after they transfer to trophozoite. The trophozoite is increased to zygote. Okay, first sporozoites they transfers to the trophozoite or zygote to developed. The zygote is a nucleus mitotic division to they developed many type of many cells they developed. This zygote is developed cells this rupturing to their cell. Then after the sporozoites transfer to cryptozoites. Sporozoites transfers to the cryptozoite. This process is rupturing the cell. The sporozoites releasing the two ways to first one is the this process is repeated. Same liver cells to attack liver cells to trophozoites to zygote. They develop the nucleus and then after sporozoites develop to cryptozoites to rupture to their body to remove the release the cells. This larger one is the macro, smaller one is the micro metacryptozoites to they told. This is called bigger one is the macro, smaller one is the micro. Macro is the female gamete, female sporozoite cryptozoite. Smaller one is the metacryptozoite. Okay, one was go to the RBC and then after some cells go to reverse process. This total process is completed to 8 days. Some cells directly to connect to the RBC. Whenever the liver cell process completed, after this sporozoites go through the RBC cells. Okay, this one is the RBC cells. The macro metacryptozoites enter to the RBC. This nucleus is developed to the trophozoites. This trophozoites vacuoles was a ring shaped structure they formed. The nucleus was one side to move to the one side. This is the crypt wall. They form the cytoplasm. Then after the ring stage completed, this nucleus is look like a ring shaped. Then after this process is completed, after they go to the amoeboid stage. The nucleus was move on the middle of the cytoplasm. The process is this nucleus is body wall is the amoeboid stage. This process to they come the cells. After the cells divided to process started. This is the RBC. This RBC hemoglobin. Heme was stuck and globin was dissolved. This heme was moved to the total process. This nucleus was divided into Stuffner's nucleus. Why? Because this was the hemoglobin was a dotted staped. They stay on the RBC. This is the zygogony. This is zygogony completed after merozoites started. This process to continue the hemojoin. Hemojoin means red dots. Malaria main how to observe the test the hemo dots is in show the laboratory. Okay, then after merozoites completed, they developed the merozoites developed into one layered the form. Then after this merozoites the cytoplasmic layer is ruptured, and then after this merozoites and hemojoins both are released in the body, released in the blood vessels. This released hemojoins and metazoans both are released. This total process is completed to 12 to 24 hours. Then after this process, one releasing the larger and smaller gametocytes. Larger gametocyte is called female gametocytes, and smaller gametocyte is called male gametocytes. Okay, male gametes and female gametes both are released in the blood vessels. Whenever the 12 to 24 hours completed total process, then after this infected person, even healthy mosquito bited, they inject the saliva to the mosquito is affected. Okay, this total process is running on this way. This RBC process is completely 48 hours they completed. This is called Golgi cycle in RBC. Okay, this is the called Golgi cycle in RBC. This process is liver cells too, they attack the sporozoites. This is the small, and this is the hepatical zygogony. Okay, this is the different types of mitotic division too. They complete the overall total process. Sporozoites and trypozoites, tropozoites, zygogony divided into zygogony. After they completed cryptozoites, then after they are directly attacked to the RBC or some process to the repeated process. Okay, this overall process RBC to attack the macro metacryptozoites. These both are converted to the nucleus is triptozoic. Then after vacuoles was nucleus move the corner side. After then ring is formed. This is the ring stage. One layer of cytoplasm they formed. After they go to the amoeboid stage. This shape is amoeboid, look like a amoeba. This is called amoeboid stage. The red blood cells have hemoglobin to the hemo is not digested, globin was digested. After the digestion, hemo was stay in the sporozoites. This was the called Stuffner's granulus. Then after merozoites they go, The hemozoics also both are going to the next process. The cytoplasm layer is rupturing, and then after merozoites and hemozoites both are releasing the RBC. This RBC2 they develop the million some of female gametes and male gametes both are released in their body. This total process is completed 48 hours. This time to the healthy not infected mosquito bited, they total male female gametes they go to the saliva to crop of the mosquito. Okay, overall process is this one. This first the cells move the precytic cyst. Next they go to the erythrocytic cycle. Then after go to the erythrocytic schizogony. This is the 3 steps of the Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Plasmodium vivax in man. Okay. This is the important of biology in human welfare. 8 marks LAQ. Okay. Read and write to your note prepared. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.